Welcome to Belarus, a land of enchanting forests, majestic castles, and timeless villages. In the heart of Europe, Belarus is a realm where nature and history have intertwined for centuries. The stories of this place are etched into ancient stones and whispered on the winds of its vast woodlands. Whether you're drawn to echoes of empires, solemn memorials, or untouched wilderness, Belarus offers something unique. This is a land of quiet discovery, where every path leads to a new revelation. Join us as we uncover the top 20 places you must visit in Belarus. Prepare to see a side of Europe you may have never imagined. We begin our journey in Minsk, the capital city. With its wide boulevards, Soviet architecture, and vibrant cafes, Minsk is both modern and steeped in history. Mir Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a stunning 16th-century fortress blending Gothic, Baroque, and Renaissance styles. Just an hour from Minsk, Nesvizh Castle invites you to explore its ornate halls and peaceful lakeside gardens. This ancient forest, shared with Poland, is home to rare European bison and is one of Europe's last primeval woodlands. Brest Fortress stands as a powerful World War II monument telling stories of bravery and sacrifice. Grodno, one of Belarus's oldest cities, is filled with Baroque churches and medieval remnants. Known as the spiritual heart of Belarus, Polotsk is home to ancient monasteries and the birthplace of Saint Euphrosyne. This untouched wilderness is ideal for ecotourism, offering a deeper look into the Białowieża forest ecosystem. The Braslav Lakes region, with over 300 lakes, is a paradise for outdoor lovers. Built in the 14th century, Lida Castle is perfect for those who enjoy knights, legends, and living history. Vitebsk is an artist's dream and the beloved hometown of painter Marc Chagall. Near Minsk, the Dudutki Open-Air Museum immerses you in ancient folk crafts and traditional Belarusian life. This open-air military museum showcases Soviet-era fortifications, restored bunkers, and an impressive collection of tanks. Mozir, perched on the hilly banks of the Pripyat River, charms with its unique landscape and historic wooden architecture. The Cotton Memorial is a deeply moving tribute to a Belarusian village destroyed during World War II. Slonim rewards the curious traveler with stunning Baroque architecture, including a grand synagogue and beautiful churches. Zirovichi Monastery, one of the largest Eastern Orthodox sites in Belarus, has drawn pilgrims for centuries. As the largest lake in Belarus, Lake Narak is perfect for swimming, sailing, and serene relaxation. Mogilev on the Dnieper River captivates with its elegant town hall, astronomical clock, and charming pedestrian streets. Beyond the cities, the Belarusian countryside offers timeless villages and rolling fields where traditional life continues. Belarus may be one of Europe's hidden gems, but its beauty and deep-rooted culture make it unforgettable. Here, history lives in castle walls, forest paths, and stories shared by generations. From serene lakes to medieval castles, there's something for every traveler. The journey through Belarus leaves you with a sense of peace and lasting memories. If you enjoyed this journey, please like and subscribe for more explorations. Let us know your favorite spot in the comments below. Until next time, happy exploring!